Hi, this is Dan Summers with Advantage Heating and Air Conditioning, and we're so excited about our maintenance program. We call it our VIP because you are a very important person. You know, when I first started the company in 1992, my whole goal was to have customers for life. And it's been really exciting to see customers come from the first installs that I ever did, and you know their equipment needs to be replaced. And so we've already replaced some of those pieces of equipment. People come back time after time, and that's because we treat you as family, and we really want you to understand our goal is to create safety, comfort, and peace of mind every time that we come out. This is a full tune-up and maintenance on your heating and air conditioning system. So, you know, a lot of people don't even think about maintaining their heating and air conditioning system. But can you imagine what would happen to your car if you never change the oil? We need to make sure that you're not going to have a breakdown in the middle of the summer when it's 90 degrees, or in the middle of the winter when it's 30 degrees and you're trying to heat your home. It's really important to go through and maintain, tune up your heating and air conditioning system. Not only that, you know, you don't want your electric bill or your gas bill to be really high just because we didn't do maintenance. We're going to come out twice a year. We're going to go through a 22-point inspection. We're going to inspect all your safety devices, and there are safety devices on your pieces of equipment. And we're going to check and make sure that those are okay. We test everything. We're going to make sure that your equipment is clean. We've had some situations that we've walked into where we're surprised that, well, quite frankly, that it didn't catch on fire. And we've actually had a couple of furnaces catch on fire, and we don't want to see that. We don't want that to be you. So those are the things that we're going to do. And then we're going to bring to your attention anything that we think might be questionable. And if we think it's questionable, it's up to you. It's your option. I mean, you have the option to say yes or no. I'd like to have that replaced. We're going to explain everything to you so that you're not wondering why we think that it's a good idea to replace that part. So if we do replace that part, you have a lifetime warranty on that part. As long as you live in that home, as long as you own that furnace, if we have to replace that part 3 times while you're in your home, that's what we're gonna do. You don't have to pay for that part. You know, we have tried to make this as affordable for everybody as we possibly can. So we're looking at $14 a month. So you can be on this program. You can get, oh man, I totally forgot to tell you that we also have a 20% discount on for all of our VIP members. You're first in line if you do have an issue or a breakdown. If it's a weekend or a holiday, I mean, I know that we've been out some places on Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve. I mean, those are tough times to get out there, but we're going to get out there, and those are tough times to have a breakdown. And on the VIP program, we have a lot less of those issues because we have come out and identified anything that could create an issue. You know, we're so excited to have you become our VIP member and be a part of our family. We're not going to run away. We're not going to go anywhere. We're going to be here for you.